Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the numbers in Sanskrit. What we say numbers in Sanskrit? Yes, you are right. Sankhya. Okay? You know pretty well 1 to 10 in Sanskrit. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Right? See here, they have given the Sanskrit numerals and a picture. Okay, children? See here. Ekaha. Ekaha means what? One. Right? Ekaha. Ekaha means one. Ekaha Ashvaha. Ekaha Ashvaha. See here. Ekaha Ashvaha. One horse. Okay? Ekaha Ashvaha means one horse. Then Dvau. Dvau Balakau. Okay? Two boys. Then Trayaha. Trayaha. Trayaha means what? Three. Okay? Trayaha Balikaha. Trayaha Balikaha means three girls. Okay? See here. Ekaha Ashvaha. Ekaha Ashvaha means what? One horse. Okay? Then Dvau Balakau. Dvau Balakau means two boys. Dvau Balakau. Okay? Then Trayaha Balikaha. Trayaha Balikaha means what? Three girls. Okay, children? Then the fourth one. Wait a minute. I will show you. Very good. See here. Chatvaraha. Chatvaraha means what? Four. Chatvaraha means four. Chatvaraha Chatraha. What does it mean by Chatraha? Chatraha means student. The boys who are in uniform, they are called school students, right? Chatvaraha. Chatvaraha means four. Chatraha, students. Four students. Okay? Chatvaraha Chatraha. Okay? Then next Pancha. Pancha means five. Okay. Pancha, what is the picture given here? Fruits. So Pancha Phalani. Pancha Phalani means five fruits. Okay? Pancha Phalani. Okay? Then for this in English, 5 fruits. 5 fruits. Then see here, shat. You have to say like this, shat. Shat means what? 6. Okay. What is the picture given here? Pencils. For pencil in Sanskrit, what do we say? Lekhani. So, shat lekhanyaha. See here. Shat lekhanyaha. Okay. Shat lekhanyaha means 6 pencils. 6 pencils. Okay. Now I will show you for the numbers 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wait a minute. Okay. See here. Sapta. Sapta means what? 7. You are right. Sapta means 7. What is the picture given here? Trees. So, 7 trees. For trees, what do we say in Sanskrit? Yes, correct. Vrikshaha. Sapta vrikshaha. 7 trees. Okay, children. See here. I will write. Sapta means 7. Okay. Trees means vrikshaha. Okay. Sapta vrikshaha. Sapta vrikshaha means 7 trees. Okay. Then ashta. Ashta means what? Yes, you are right. 8. Correct. What is the picture given here? Balls. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls, 5 balls, 6 balls, 7 balls, 8 balls picture given here. So, ashta. What is the name of a ball in Sanskrit? Yes, you are right. Kandukam. Okay. So, ashta, kandukam, kanduke, kandukani in plural. So, ashta kandukani. 8 balls. Okay, children. I write here. Ashta means 8. 8. See here. Ashta kandukani. Okay. We can also say in pumlingaha. In napumsakalingaha, kandukam, kanduke, kandukan. In pullingaha also we can say ball. Okay. Kandukaha. So, ashta kandukaha. Either way we can say this. Ashta kandukaha or ashta kandukani. That means what? 8 balls. Okay. Then the 9th one. I will show you. Wait. Okay. Nava. Nava means what? 9. Okay. What is the picture given here? Fruits. 9 fruits picture are given here. Okay. See here. So, Nava means 9 9 fruits. Nava. What we say the word fruits in Sanskrit? Phalani. Okay? Phalani. Nava phalani. Okay? Nava phalani means 9 fruits. Okay? See here. 9 fruits. Okay? At last 10. Dasha means what? 10. See here. Dasha means 10. You take your 2 hands. How many fingers are there? 10 fingers, right? They have given the picture also. 10 fingers, right? So, Dasha Angulyaha. Dasha Angulyaha. Dasha Angulyaha means what? 10 fingers. Okay, children? So, listen. Now, we saw 1 to 10 in Sanskrit. I say the numbers again, you repeat after me. Okay, children? Listen here. Ekaha, Dvau, Trayaha, Chatvaraha, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. In this lesson, you have to listen carefully. There is another method to write 1 to 4 in Sanskrit. Okay? See here. Ekaha, no? You can say ekam. Ekaha. Why they have given ekaha? Because the picture belongs to Pumlingaha, Ashvaha. So, ekaha Ashvaha. But normally, we won't say like this. Ekam. Okay? See here. I write. Ekam. Okay? Then, here they have given Dvau. Why they have given Dvau? Because they have given the picture of 2 boys. Balakau. So, Dvau Balakau. But normally we say Dve. Okay? See here. Ekam. Dve. Okay? Then, here they have given Trayaha. Because the picture they have given is Balikaha. So, Trayaha Balikaha they have given. But normally what we say? Trini. For 3, we will say Trini. See here. 3 ni. Trini. Okay? Ekam, Dve, Trini. Then here they have, here I should write Trini. Then here for this word Chatvaraha, I will write here. Why they have given Chatvaraha here? Because the picture belongs to students, 4 students. So, Chatvaraha, Chatraha. But normally we say Chatvari. See here. Chatvari. Okay, children? So, first 4 things, no? the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Normally we say ekam, dve, trini, chatvari. Rest of the things are same. Pancha, shat, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha. Or the same in pumlingaha, in strilingaha, in napumsakalingaha, in all the genders, it won't change. Pancha won't change. See here, 5 boys means pancha balaha. Then if you take a feminine gender word, Lata means creeper, right? I want to say 5 creepers. Then what I should do? Pancha lataha. I want to say 5 flowers in Napumsakalingam. This word won't change. Okay, the number word 5 won't change. See here. Pancha pushpani. Like this only, like pancha, shat, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha. They won't change according to the gender. They remain the same. Okay, children. So at last, in the conclusion, I say quickly, see here, I will write and show you. Ekam 1, dve 2, trini 3, chatvari 4, pancha 5, shat 6, sapta 7, ashta 8, nava 9, dasha 10. Okay, children. Thank you so much for watching this. Meet you again. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.